Hey guys, today we are trying out the brand new Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. That has a big name to live up to, but this is the 4-in-1 Glow Makeup Perfector. It says it's the primer, concealer, highlight, and BB cream. So we are trying that out today. I have two shades. These are $12.99 at Ulta. So if you're new here, I always want to let you know I use all natural lighting. So you're gonna see my skin, my imperfections, all of that, and how this covers, how it wears, its finish. You guys know it's glowy, but wait till you see how glowy. Honestly, wait till you see how glowy this is. So yeah, I'm gonna hush. Let's go ahead and hop in. Okay guys, my whole plan was to get two shades where these are kind of sheer, and I know normally how Maybelline works. I got 02 medium and 03 medium deep. You guys, I thought when I pulled it out of the package that this was medium deep. Not deep, medium deep. No, this is medium. This is the darkest medium I have ever seen, and this is medium deep. My initial thought was I'll get one to use all over the face and one to use for concealer. Yeah, that's not gonna work. These are supposed to be primer, concealer, highlighter, and a BB cream, but I don't typically use the same shade for concealer, but we're gonna try today because that will not work. Okay, so I hate this. I will never use this to blend, so I dislike that. You turn it, it comes out, so we are going to just start, well, oh, I hate these applicators. Like, nothing's coming out really. That's what we're gonna do. Let's just paint our whole face. It's definitely like a bronzy color. Oh, this is even too dark. Okay, this medium is too dark. How wonderful. All right, once we blend it out, I'd say it'll look better. There definitely looks to be shimmer in this. Like, I don't think I would typically like this just as is, because it is glowy and not like in a natural kind of way. It almost reminds me of the Huda Beauty one that we just tried, because this is like rubbing a highlighter all over your face. I mean, really, there's practically no coverage. It's just a highlighter. Oh, that's not good, you guys. That's this, wow. So I get with a BB cream it's gonna be sheer to light coverage, but a concealer, I'm not sure who is wearing a sheer concealer. So you can see the shade more on my neck. We're gonna bring it down. And why not just do this? This is kind of like, oh, I can't think of it. The Charlotte Tilbury Flawless, what is it called? Flawless, Hollywood Flawless Filter. My goodness, I couldn't get that out. Kind of reminds me of that, but gosh, this is so glowy. Like, holy moly glowy. Okay, yeah, I had planned on wearing this just as the base, but that's not gonna work. I'm going to throw in a little bit of MAC Face and Body, because I would never wear this as is. I just wouldn't. See if we can get this to a point that we like, because right now I'm not liking this at all. Not as just a standalone product anyway. Now, MAC Face and Body is still lighter coverage, but the Maybelline's actually quite sheer, like really sheer, and too glowy. I swear I never thought I would say that until the Huda Beauty. I never thought I would say something was too glowy, like base wise. Yeah, it is. Okay, I am liking this a lot better. This would be one to build, kind of mix. Yeah, it definitely accentuates pores where, I mean, it is so darn glowy. But with the MAC Face and Body, we might be able to make this work. Okay, so this is our starting point. I'm gonna do pretty natural makeup. While this one's a bit darker, why not? Why not? We're gonna use this as a liquid bronzer. So I'm just gonna dab a little. This might not work, but we're gonna try. We have two, we might as well use them for something. All right, and then I'm gonna push that in. Not really moving it around, just literally pushing it into the skin. And this doesn't dry overly quickly or anything like that. That would be like the most natural bronzer of all time, but we tried it. Pretty crazy, medium deep. It is so dark, but medium is like, wow, dark. Like there's not much difference, you guys. It is crazy, like the color. These are so dark. Okay, so here's our starting point. I will see you guys in just a few. And we are back, full face done. I did a different video. We filmed another one with the Catrice Pro eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I filmed that. That's what's on the eyes. I really do like the way this looks. The MAC Face and Body has a bit of a glow, really natural finish, but this really brought out the glow. Really did. I'm gonna do a wear test on it. I'm very, very familiar with MAC Face and Body, so I will see if it starts to break apart, how it wears, all of that good stuff. Shockingly, I even want to do a wear test on this because on its own, I was not a fan. But like this, I like it, so we're gonna do a wear test. Okay, lovelies, it has been about 6 hours and nothing has changed. So I won't keep you, literally nothing has changed. So I will see you guys in a few more hours. Okay, so overlook this. We were cleaning the coop. We had to do a full-on like spring cleaning, like everything. So it took us quite a while, and this has to stay on because now my hair looks jacked. But anyway, let's get back to these Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Perfector. If you want this to wear as a BB cream as your base, I would say no, I don't recommend it. It is too glowy, which is shocking, but it's too glowy and it really, really accentuates pores. So if you have a lot of pores, or even if you don't, I mean, my pores are not super bad, but I'm telling you guys, all through here, it was like, boom, just pores everywhere. So I don't recommend it for that. But if you want to wear this under or even mix it with a foundation, I love the way it looked. When I first applied this, right off the bat, I would have said, I'm gonna hate this. This is useless, but it just adds this beautiful glow. And I do like it for that. It's more so a mixer or a primer. That's it. So this is not gonna be for everyone for sure. If you wanna use it as a BB cream, tinted moisturizer, a concealer, heck no, no. None of those are gonna work. Like I said, it's pretty well just gonna be your first base step, and that's gonna be it. You can kind of work around it, but I do love the way this looked. It did not break down my foundation. I used MAC Face and Body. So you guys see me put MAC Face and Body on. It did not break it down. It didn't do anything weird to it. It just gave me even more of a glow, a little bit more of a boost, just kind of a radiance. I do think there is shimmer in this, so be aware. I don't typically like things with shimmer, but it is in there. And I do love the way this looked all day. I do. I love the way it looked. I have been sweating my butt off, you guys, working my tiny butt off, and it still looks so good. I had this mask on, so it kind of rubbed off the nose a bit. But besides that, I honestly have no complaints other than I don't really like the way they marketed this, especially as a perfector, because it really enhances texture and pores and all of that. So that's my only complaint. Other than that, I love it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, I hope you subscribe if you haven't already. I don't know if I said it had been 10 hours or not, but it's been 10 hours. I started filming later than I typically do, so it is getting dark outside. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you subscribe, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys.